Watch the ramp there. Easy now, keep them moving forward. Clear the gate, we're bringing the next one down.
Keep the line moving smoothly now. Watch the turn at the intersection, slowly.
The water flume is steady, all systems are green.
Good. The bulls look calm and hydrated. We are clear for the next phase.
Keep them steady, we're almost done with the readings.
All right, opening gate 3 now. Make sure the path is clear.
In a separate Finding Solutions production area, workers wearing Finding Solutions uniforms begin preparing luxury leather jacket components.
Inspection complete. All points clear, especially the collar stitching.
All right, recording has passed. We need to ensure the horn details are flawless before moving them to the next stage. I agree, the hardware finish is critical here.
Make sure the clasp is spotless before we move it.
Everything is checked. Let's take these to the display area.
They look perfect, don't they?
Absolutely stunning. The stitching on the tote is exquisite.